A silent threat, the prevalence of blood clots. Did you know that blood clots affect up to 900,000 Americans each year? That's a silent epidemic. Blood clots are a serious health issue, but many people don't know much about them. It's time to change that. We need to understand blood clots, the risks, and how to prevent them. This isn't about scaring you, it's about empowering you. Knowledge is power, and knowing about blood clots can help you protect yourself and your loved ones. Let's break down this silent threat and learn how to stay healthy. Your life could depend on it. Understanding blood clots. A matter of life and blood. Blood clots are like tiny clumps that form in your blood. They're your body's natural way of stopping bleeding after an injury. But sometimes, these clots can form when they shouldn't, causing serious problems. Imagine a traffic jam in your veins or arteries. That's what a blood clot does. It blocks the normal flow of blood, which can damage your organs and even be life-threatening. We need to understand the difference between normal clotting and dangerous clotting. We also need to know what to look out for. Early detection is key. When clots turn critical risks and complications. Blood clots can be very dangerous if left untreated. One serious risk is a pulmonary embolism, where a clot travels to the lungs and blocks blood flow. This can be fatal. Another risk is a stroke, which can happen if a clot blocks blood flow to the brain. Strokes can cause permanent brain damage and disability. Deep vein thrombosis, or DVT, is another concern. This is when a clot forms in a deep vein, usually in the legs. DVT can cause pain, swelling, and even lead to a pulmonary embolism. Don't ignore the signs. Early detection and treatment are crucial for preventing serious complications. Section 4. Unveiling the culprit's risk factors for blood clots. So what increases your risk of developing a blood clot? Some factors are beyond your control, like genetics and age. As we get older, our risk naturally increases. But here's the good news. Many risk factors are things you can control. Smoking, for example, significantly increases your risk. Quitting is one of the best things you can do for your health. Obesity and a sedentary lifestyle also play a role. Being overweight or obese increases your risk, as does prolonged sitting or inactivity. Certain medical conditions like heart disease, diabetes, and cancer can also increase your risk. If you have any underlying health conditions, talk to your doctor about your risk for blood clots. Section 5. Taking charge, effective prevention strategies. The best way to fight blood clots is to prevent them in the first place. And the good news is, there are simple, effective steps you can take. First and foremost, get moving. Regular exercise is crucial for healthy blood flow. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise most days of the week. Stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of water throughout the day helps thin your blood and prevents clotting. If you're traveling long distances, take breaks to stretch and move around. Avoid sitting for prolonged periods, especially if you're at increased risk. Talk to your doctor about your individual risk factors and any preventive measures you should take. They might recommend compression stockings or medication, depending on your situation. Section 6. Your health, your priority, a call to action. Blood clots are a serious health threat, but they don't have to be a reason for fear. By understanding the risks, recognizing the symptoms, and taking proactive steps towards prevention, you can significantly reduce your chances of developing this silent threat. Remember, knowledge is power. Share this information with your loved ones, friends, and colleagues. Together, we can raise awareness and empower each other to live healthier lives. This is just the beginning. There's so much more to learn about blood clots, from advanced treatment options to ongoing research and breakthroughs. I encourage you to continue exploring this topic and prioritize your health. What are your thoughts on blood clot prevention? Share your comments below, and let's keep the conversation going.